I just hit one button, 3 operations, 3 credits. Every single one green. That means a message just landed in my Discord, automatically, the second this thing saw something new. And here's the part that's going to annoy you. I didn't touch the YouTube API. No key, no Google Cloud project, no Quota to babysit. Every YouTube channel has a hidden RSS feed. There's no button for it. YouTube's not exactly advertising this one. I'm about to show you exactly where it's hiding and how to wire it straight into Discord for free. Here's the channel we're pulling this from, World of AI. Doesn't matter which one you pick, same trick works on every channel on YouTube. Right-click, anywhere on the page, view page source. I know, looks like nothing. It's just the raw code behind the page. But buried in there is something YouTube's actual interface never shows you. Control F, search, channel_ID equals. There it is. Starts with UC, 24 characters. That's the channel's permanent ID. Doesn't change even if they rename the channel later. Now the actual trick. Take that ID, drop it into this. youtube.com/feeds/videos.xml ? channel_ID equals. Then paste the ID right on the end. That's it. That's an RSS feed. Every recent upload laid out as raw data. No key, no login, no quota. Now I just need something to watch that link and yell the second it changes. The tool doing the watching is Make. Free plan, no card required. 3,000 plus apps built in. RSS and Discord are both just sitting in that list already. New scenario. First module, search RSS. That's it, sitting on the canvas. Now it just needs that feed URL we built 2 minutes ago. Paste the link, save. Before you run anything, right-click that module. Choose where to start.
This is the part people skip and regret.
If you choose all items, it spams every past video into your Discord at once. Select the first item instead. I'm setting our starting checkpoint right at this Gemini 4 video. Hit save and you're done. One side's done, it's just got nobody to talk to yet. Second module, Discord. This one's not a URL you paste, it's a real connection. That's MakeSpot getting invited into your server one time. After that, it can post anywhere you let it. Pick the server, pick the channel. That's where every new upload is about to show up. 2 modules wired together. Now for the part that actually matters, what the message says. Click into the message box. This panel shows up. Every piece of data the RSS module just pulled in. Type whatever text you want around it. That part's just static. Then click Title. Watch that. It's not pasting text, it's dropping in a live reference. Whatever video comes through next, that word rewrites itself. Same move for the link. Click it once, done. That's the entire message. 2 lines, 2 live fields. Every future upload fills itself in. You don't touch this again. Quick pass over both modules before anything goes live. Connections right, channels right, message is set. Make double checks the trigger side too. Dismiss it, you're clear. Everything's built, time to actually test it. Hit run. And that's the exact run you saw at the start of this video. 3 operations, 3 credits, all green.